Hello everyone, today we are going to see working of this model which is named as windmill electricity. Generation of electricity from flowing air. Here we are going to do this as a generator model where actually wind will not be there, may not be there, but we will show the working of windmill. Now if you open the box, there is an instruction manual and this is the content of the kit. Now if you look at the kit content, wooden base, pulley with handle, rod printout, LED, sleeves, spoke and cable tie. Wooden batten. This is a plastic stand and there is this pouch. In this pouch you will get one 4-blade fan, 2 long rubber bands, these nut bolts, dynamo motor with small pulley on its shaft, which is very important, foam pieces, this plastic strip, straws and aluminium foil connecting wire, these plastic bushes, and this screws and nut and bolt. Now step 1. Step 1, you are supposed to create a base for your project. For creating this, you can choose any side of this board. What you are supposed to do, choose whichever is like a clean side. You are supposed to take these 4 foam pieces. Foam pieces are provided with 2-sided tape. Remove the release paper of the tape and paste these 4 foam pieces into the 4 corners of the wooden base. Like this. So this is a stand. This is a stand for your project. Now next thing, you will be putting this batten on this board. Now these 2 holes are there at the bottom of the batten and these are the 2 holes which are matching actually if you see it like this. So I am going to put this batten like this using screws. Okay, you will be needing screwdriver for this, which is not provided in the kit. You are supposed to arrange it on your own. Fix these 2 screws into your base. See here, you're supposed to see this. I'm holding batten with one hand and fixing it into the base with another hand. Okay, it's like this. Now here this batten is firm and it will remain in its place. This is the first step. Second step, you will be fixing this pulley with handle on this batten. Now how to fix it? So you can see there is a bolt and 2 nuts along with the washer. Remove these 2 nuts. Place this washer at the end of the pulley, the back side of the pulley, means opposite side of the handle. Okay, and now insert this bolt through this hole. Okay, sorry, yeah, okay. Now you're going to put this nut. The first nut should be loose enough and put another nut. Second nut will be working as a lock nut to keep first nut on its place, and pulley should be very free to move. Okay, there should not be any friction or pulley should not be tight. Now next step, take this metal rods to create stand for windmill. Okay, if you see this end of the metal rod, here there are threads and here there are 4 corners on this board. You're supposed to put this 4 metal rods into these four corners of the board, like this. Now here you are supposed to insert these metal rods into the board by screw action. Since you are supposed to rotate it, it will go into the board. Okay, once you're like fixing this these metal rods, you're supposed to put these sleeves, plastic pipes or whatever you say, across this metal rods to just give it a good look. And now next step is you will be putting this plastic strip. Now there are again 4 holes in the square on this plastic strip. So through these 4 holes, these metal rods should come out like this. Now this one is another hole. Okay, these 4 rods are coming out. Now to avoid like hurting using these 4 rods, we are going to put bushes on this pokey part of the metal rod.